Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple asymmetrical skirt using some leftover fabrics. So pretty much I am going to be tracing this pencil skirt that I already own to create the base of the skirt. I added extra seam allowances just because I did not want the skirt to be fitted. To achieve the asymmetrical hemline, I curved the hemline just like this, and then I created a long strip of fabric that I will lightly gather to fit the circumference of the pencil skirt. I did not have enough fabric for this, that's why the ruffle is not as full as I wanted it to be. But if you have extra fabric, make sure to make it as full as you can so you can really see the fullness of the skirt. Then I simply join it at the side seams and then attach the ruffle on the hemline of the pencil skirt. Now it's time to sew the elastic. I pretty much quarter the waistline of the skirt and the elastic, and then I'm just going to match the quarter points. The elastic is 2 inches shorter than my actual waistline because I'm going to stretch it out a little bit later on. I place it inside the skirt and I'm going to stretch the elastic as I sew, and I'm using a zigzag stitch for this. Then I fold it in twice to encase the elastic inside and then stitch all the way around. This time I just did a straight stitch, but I increased the length to 3. After that, I lettuce hem the ruffles. To do that, you're just going to double fold the hemlines and then you are going to zigzag stitch it and stretching it as you sew, and it's gonna give you that cute ruffle detail as you can see here. And now this is the final skirt. I absolutely love it.